Okay, we're back sorting everything out like I said I was going to have to do anyway, so I did. So I got a bunch of primary cam cover bolts here, rocker box bolts here. I think these are cylinder base nuts, not stock, but custom stuff. Stock head bolts, a couple generator bolts in here, one rocker box bolt there, here's the other one right there. Cylinder base studs are out for some reason. And then a bunch of miscellaneous washers, not sure what they are. Dug through here. Found the ball bearing. The 4 washers are here now. And these are 2 top motor mount bolts here for the top motor mount. Got the 4 nuts for the there. What do I do with the nut for that? I had that nut. Oh, no, those aren't it. Where's that nut? Dumbass. I lost it. Never did find the other piece for that. I had the nut. I had it. There it is. I knew I had it somewhere. There's his nut. Those 2 nuts. Here's the oil pump bolts. I probably won't use them. I'll probably put new ones on. Another set of these, which we don't really need. They can go back over there. I'm going to straighten this and show you how to replace the shoe for the hell of it. Got bolt too long, bolts too short for holding that on. Found the screws and the seal plate cover for the case. Found all that. So yeah, pretty good collection of stuff. Got the other motor mount here. The one with the nut on it is right there. Got the 2 bolts. I had to go get me a new nut. Found the 2 chrome washers that go with it. So that goes right there like that. We're missing all the stuff for the front of the frame though. Let's see, this rocker box we are not using, so it needs to go into the junk box. It's right there. We're still missing the center head for that, so we're going to wind up using this one. This one goes back over here. So I'm going to go ahead and bead blast all of this stuff in here and make sure it's correct for what we need. So I'll go through and pick out the best. Oh, okay, there's differences here. That and that. No, they're the same one. So different there for a minute. Thought maybe it was a 900 early one. But no, same one. Just didn't have the hub on there. That's the reason why it's sticking up so high. So that piece is missing. Okay, so this. Okay, we'll keep that one. We got 2 collars, so we'll keep this one. It's fine. Got this one. These things don't really wear out much anyway, so not a big issue. Okay, I'll bead blast all of that. The ramps look the same. I'll keep this one because it's not rusty. Blast anything else, doesn't matter. Let's see, all the teeth are still on there, so that's good. Nope. All the teeth are not on there. That one's missing. That would not make any difference in a million years, but we have one that's not broken, so go with that one. Yeah, my big 160 mile an hour race bike, I have 3 broken tooth on it. 2 are right next to each other. No problem. Pretty sure you're not going to load that bike as much as me. I don't like them right next to each other, but I don't care if they're staggered around here and there. You're missing them. It's not going to matter. Okay, these here look basically look the same. We got to check the threads out on that gear. So that's okay. Shaft Oh, it's in the box over there. I gotta check the threads, make sure they work with that other part. Okay, so that goes with that. Alright, so there's a complete kit there. I'll blast all that. This is our clutch, which is right now is over here. So we'll have the pressure plate, some steel plates. We have the nuts for it were right here. We have the center hub and the spring and the roller compressor piece. Oh, there's a hub in here already. Okay, so we don't have this hub. So this hub is extra. Put it over here. No problem. That'll be fine. Bearing's good. It's a thrust bearing. You push on it, feels good. It's good. So we just need the basket and a new set of plates. Fiber and steel would be nice. I like Barnett Kevlar, so that's probably what I'll throw in there. I got some cheaper ones too. I don't know. There might be an Alto set. If I got an Alto set, I'll throw it in there, but I don't want to put really cheap crap in there. Alright, so I got most of all that. I pulled out the cam cover over here. So I gotta clean this up. Yeah, this one, the bushing's in it, so definitely did not come from the other one. So I gotta clean this all up, make sure it's all good. That's gotta be blasted. And then I found the missing covers, which weren't missing, I just forgot they were in the box over here. And the bearing mechanism is gone. We do have both fillers. I really need two hands to do this so I don't damage it. At some point you got to put the camera down. Looks pretty decent. Crud on there comes off. Looks pretty nice. Yep, definitely a nice one. Back in the box. I'll put the plastic film around it for now, just to protect it. And this is a kicker cover, sprocket cover. It is the correct one, electric start only. So no kicker hole, but has electric hump in it. So that's the correct one. He said he was an electric only bike. We'll put that in here. Check that. This over here can go right here for now. Keep in that box for now until I clean it, which will probably be tomorrow. And we have the rocker boxes are over here in this box, as they call them. There we go, and they're bare as expected. So those are going to go right there. Can go over there. People can go over there. Okay, these I'm gonna leave out because I got to clean them up, and I'm gonna rebuild the rocker arms and put them in there. It's an early '71 box too. It's got the number on it. So that's good. And there's a date over here when it was made, '71 again. And that's definitely an original box. This one has a date right here, so that is the original box. It's for this motor. So that look pretty good. Okay, this, we go over here. myself. There's some new parts in here. Yeah, some new stuff in here. Miscellaneous junk. Goes over there. All right. So there you go. We got the marker box set up here. Don't know which one's which because where's the intake? Okay, this goes where the intake is. So it's on the wrong one. Intake is on that side right there. Intake is on that side right there. Yep, it is a set. It's not two of the same. It is. Each one's different slightly. Okay, it'll look like that. So there you go. That looks a little bit better. Got the motor mount in here. Got the valves for it. So yeah, we're doing pretty good. So we got the nice cylinders going there, so it looks pretty good. So those would be nice. All right, we're moving along. We're finding more and more of the junk stuff I'm missing. So the clutch basket is the only thing that's really missing right now that I can't come up with right away. And what else was the other part? We had the clutch gear. I found that. Oh, we're missing the mechanism that goes inside the clutch release mechanism is missing also. That is not anywhere. So other than that, I think we found most all of the parts. There's still hardware missing, but no biggie. I think I even found most of that. All right, yeah. So we're definitely getting there. Okay, I think we're getting pretty close. All right. Yep. That's it for now.